Screencastify. This is an overview on Screencastify as a web-based learning tool. Screencastify is an extension for Google Chrome that allows the user to record their screen for the purpose of tutorials, demonstrations, and even assessment. This cloud-based tool will screencast slideshows while allowing the video creator to speak with a voiceover or web image. So how do you get started with Screencastify? Well, first of all, you need Google Chrome as a browser. The school computers and Chromebooks in Victoria and schools across the country have this capability. Screencastify is available free in the web store, and the free version allows for a reliable starter package. So you must sign up for an account and then add the Chrome extension so that you have the little arrow here. So I'm just going to show you up in the right-hand corner up there. Okay, so now we're going to go over here just to take a quick look at the template. So this is where my account would be, my recordings, different options. So this sends it right to Google Drive, it's set to. Account option switching, sign out, that kind of thing, and your subscription. And then on the right-hand side, it allows you to open it all in Google Drive, which is really, really handy. So the program includes tools to spotlight or draw on the screen to further demonstrate a point. So first I would have my slideshow up created in Google Slides. And then I will select record, and then I will put it in present mode up here at the right-hand side so that you don't see all the little slides on the left-hand side. And then I would have the slides and I'd be talking over it. Now, I'm just going to exit there for a moment just to show you the pen tool. So if you wanted to write on a slide, you can click on the pen, and then you could write to demonstrate your point while you're still talking and describing. And then there is also an eraser in case you want to do that. So I've used a Screencastify as a tool in conjunction with Google Slides to create most of the demonstration videos in this website. I created the videos and then I inserted them into the slideshow, and then I would record and voice over the whole slideshow. So as an example, this is a quick search for knitting stitches. So this would be what I would do. I would just record it here, some with sound. So I would show, okay, I'm going to search for how to knit a knitting stitch, and then
there are 4 components to the basic knit stitch. I call them in, around, up, and off. So every loop on your needle.
So I might let the expert speak and then maybe pause or mute the actual dialogue if I want to better explain or insert my own information into what's going on. If I were better versed in knitting, I might be able to do that. And then I can bring her voice back, or I can now search for something else.
And release your thumb. That is cast on loop number 2.
And then I don't need to edit a whole bunch of videos together, and the student can see how I searched. And they're seeing this stitch that would be...
Wrap the yarn around your thumb again. Insert both of the needles together under the loop.
It would be difficult to show this in front of a class and have everybody see it as clearly as they can on a big board.
In expression fiber arts.
So again, maybe you want to show or contrast different knitting stitches.
And then cinch it tight. Again, we're going under the closest loop on our thumb, over the string.
So other classroom and school uses of Screencastify include speeches, interviews, lesson videos. You can narrate a test, student book reviews, lab reports, math show your work, or hypothesis videos. Feedback for peer, teacher, and self, or if a parent missed a meeting, that they could even have a video sent to them with the items covered. The social development theory is applied as Screencastify could allow students to respond to a question through an online community. Screencastify is easy to use and seamlessly syncs completed videos with YouTube and Google Drive. As an assessment tool, the instructor can specifically speak to points in a student essay by circling or showing them on the screen and using a voiceover to explain. Teachers creating tutorials or students creating project videos adhere to the personalization theory by using a conversational tone and text that personalizes the material for learning. Screencastify also combines easily with Google Slides and YouTube. So in review, Screencastify is a great web-based learning tool for the classroom because it easily connects to Google Chrome browser. It's easy and free to use. There are multiple uses in the classroom, from book reviews to showing your work in math class. It seamlessly syncs to share on YouTube and Google Drive. It's a great way for students to share their work for summative assessment. And it is a great teaching tool in front of the class for self-paced tutorial.